Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to the another video. We will do this in this video. We will do a challenge, a reverse number. We will have a number and we will reverse it. So this challenge will be more interesting and more interesting than the previous challenges. So you have the number. So you will have a number and you have to reverse it. You will reverse it. We will do it. Okay. For example, you will have a number 456 and you will reverse it. It will become 645. So what this problem teaches you, using digit extraction logic. For example, uh, you will extract the last digit and you will add that digit to reverse number. Okay, reversed, you will have a variable reverse. And place value understanding and mathematical construction of numbers, logical expression from previous problems. And the core idea, very important, to reverse a number, extract digit from the end, and you have to add the digit to the reversed variable. It will be initialized to 0 first, and then you have to remove the last digit to get the left side digits of the number. And you have to keep it doing in a loop while a number becomes 0. Formula used repeatedly. This is the main formula you will use in this challenge, and you will have a variable reversed, and you will multiply it with 10, and you will add the digit, last digit you extract it. You have to extract it first, okay? Then you will add it into the variable reversed. Understanding the logic. Here you can understand it. It will help you more to understand the thing you are going to do. Step one, let's say you have a number, like for example you have 1 2 3. Okay, in the step one, first let me tell you that you will use a loop. Okay, and in the step one, in the first iteration, you will have the digit extract digit 3, and assume you 0. 0 is as I told you, the reverse is initialized with 0, and you have to multiply it with 10, and then you will add the digit, the last digit you extracted, and the reverse will be 3. And then in the next step of the second iteration, you will extract the digit which is 2, and already the reverse is 3, and you will multiply it with 10. It will become 30, and you will add the digit 2 there. It will become 32. The same thing in the third uh, iteration. You will have the digit extracted digit will be 1, and you have already 32, multiplied by 10, it will become 320, and you will add 1, 321. Just so simple. So let's do it. First we will do it non-functional. We will do it in function as well. So what do you have first? You have a number. Let num is equal to any number. We are getting this, and you will have another variable, sorry, reversed, initialized with 0. Now you will use the loop, and number, while number is greater than 0, what you will do now, the first step is to extract the digit. Okay, let's digit is equal to num the modulus 10, and you will get the last digit. And now the next step is to add this digit to the reverse number. Okay, so you will get the last reversed result. So reverse is equal to reverse multiply by 10 and plus digit. Now what you will do, you have to remove the last digit. Num is equal to Math.floor what is this happening? Num divided by 10. Okay, I hope it will work, and it should work. Let's console the reverse, and we are using the Node environment to run the program. So let's get the terminal. Node followed by the file name reverse number. Yes. Is it accurate? First, we should have 278952. 278952. Yes, it is reversed. Let's check the another number. Any number. We should have 22754568 9. 22754568 9. Correct. Now let's do this problem with function in a function. Let's create a function, a reverse number. You will get a number. Okay. We already have number. Now we need to initialize the variable reversed to 0, and we will use the loop while num is greater than 0. Num is greater than 0. We have to extract the digit, we have to add it, and we have to remove the last digit. So let digit equal to num modulus 10. Let's add it. Reversed equal to reversed multiply by 10 and plus digit. And now let's remove the number last digit from the number. Num equal to Math.floor num divided by 10. Now the last thing we have to return it. We return reversed. Let's console the function reverse number, and we will put any number. What should we expect? We should expect 574558, and we get 574558 exactly. And we have done this. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. I will bring another challenge that will be more interesting. And thank you for watching the video.